No selling, no affiliate marketing, no social media followers, and no prior expertise required. You just need to copy and paste some text, and if you watch this video until the conclusion, I will show you 3 more places where you can earn money. Hello there, this is Smart Money Plus, where we teach you how to earn online income the intelligent and easy way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new videos. Also comment down below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let me show you the smart way to make money. I could show you how to use Google to get paid repeatedly. So, this will take less than 30 minutes. If PayPal isn't available in your country, or you do not want to use PayPal, I will show you other possibilities. If you don't want to use PayPal, you can use a bank transfer or Payoneer. Anyway, let us start with step 1. Go to google.com. Step 2 is to search for Google News. I want you to open Google News on the first official website, news.google.com. This is a location to locate the latest news and articles on any topic. So, it is like a newspaper with everything on it. This website has news on politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and anything else. Now, how do you make money? Get your free PayPal money now. So, stay tuned to see how this works. So on the left are all the categories. You have global news. This is about what is going on right now. We won't focus on your local news because you have it. It is just that you want to focus on business and wellness. For example, if I select the health category, I will get all the latest health news and articles. So, let us scroll and see what we can find. So, I am interested in this article that was just uploaded, and it is a great piece that many people will click on. So, open one article. Do not bother about writing articles or selling anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate or CPA marketing. All you need to do is open the article and start copying text from it. For example, I will duplicate this and go to step number 3, where we will use the third website, spinbot.com. Paste the story from Google News here. Spinbot will rewrite the article in your own words, making it truly unique. You will use those articles on 3 more websites that I will disclose with you. Those websites will pay you. Some of them will genuinely pay you $1 every word. As you can see, those articles can be thousands of words long. Then, scroll down and click I am not a robot and then click on go. That will rewrite the whole article for you. As you can see, the context is similar but the words are different. It rewrites it using synonyms and your own words. So, you may reproduce that unique and redone article and sell it on the following 3 websites. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new videos for you guys. Now, let us get back to the video. The first website we will visit is eatingwell.com. Consequently, you may write articles for eatingwell.com and be compensated for them. You can now write original and high-quality articles using Google News and Spinbot, and they will pay you up to $1 per word for your efforts. As a result, here is the first of 3 web pages. Just by copying and pasting 1,000 words into an article, you can make $1,000 bucks. Now, how do you go about submitting your articles to be paid for them on this website? By scrolling down a little bit, you will be able to see their contact information. Copy their email address, go to your account, and send them an email with the subject submission or article submission or anything similar, and attach the file containing the article you produced yourself. They will evaluate your email, and if they think it is good, they will ask for your credit card or other payment details. To get paid by PayPal, you will need to provide your PayPal account information as well as your email address. If you prefer to be paid by bank transfer, please include your bank information. The same can be said for various modes of payment. Because Google News changes every few hours, you have an endless number of options. The articles can be pasted into a Word document or saved to your computer, and then submitted to the appropriate websites in this manner. As a result, please submit your material to eatingwell.com once more, right for the Sierra Club's website. It can be found on their website. Please follow these procedures and send your articles to this email if you would want to contribute to this website with them. Thus, you may copy this and paste it into an email with your contact information and a submission subject line and send it to the address above. In contrast to Eating Well, you will need to locate anything that is related to technology or science in order to submit it to sierraclub.org for consideration. Consequently, open a scientific paper, copy the text, and put it into SpinBot. Allow them to rewrite it and submit it via email to sierraclub.org. It is now the third and final place to submit articles, which is daily.jstor.com. You can find out more about it and their submission conditions, which you can find here. This website pays less, but it is still worthwhile to use because you may be able to earn more money and get the best results possible. There is nothing complicated about this website. They merely want 2,000 words and pay approximately 31 cents each word. The average price is 31 cents, which is less expensive than the prices on the preceding two websites combined. Even at 31 cents per word, this is not a bad deal because it adds up. It is possible to earn more money the more articles that you submit. Not every item will be accepted, but even if you only get one a day, that is hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day in revenue. There is no need to lie because everything is free. This strategy is immediately usable and practical. Once again, let us summarize. Start by going to Google News, selecting a category from the left-hand side, finding an article you like, opening it, copying the material, pasting it and using SpinBot to make it unique, and then submit it. The possibilities are endless, and the potential earnings are substantial. And that's it! You can now start earning money intelligently. I hope you learned a lot from this video. And if you did, do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. And I will see you next time.